Hi guys, this is just a video example on how to put money into your calculator. So when I'm looking at my menu and I see that maybe a price is $2.05, I would hit the 2, then I would hit the decimal, 0, 5. Then I'm adding because I want to see how much the total would be. Nothing changes when I hit the plus signs. I just have to hit plus. And then let's say I'm adding an item for $3.50. I would type in, after I hit plus, $3. So then decimal, 50 cents, 50. Equals, my total would be $5.55. So make sure you're typing in with that decimal point. Show you one more example. Let's say we have $10. Let's do $8.30 plus $0.17. I would clear my calculator and I look at the first number. I have 8 decimal 30 cents, so 30 plus $0 decimal 17 equals, my total would be $8.47. I would write all these numbers down plus the decimal.